What are the primary gases in Mars' atmosphere? Answer: the primary gas is carbon dioxide 95%, with nitrogen 2.7%, argon 1.6%, and trace amounts of oxygen and water vapor. What is the appearance of Mars sky? Answer: the Martian sky appears reddish during the day due to dust particles, and it can turn blue during sunset due to the scattering of sunlight. Does Mars experience lightning? Answer: there is no evidence of lightning on Mars, though dust storms can generate statical electricity. How much of Earth's surface is covered by water? Answer: about 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Does Mars have a surface with liquid water? Answer: no. Mars' surface is too cold and dry for liquid water to exist in stable conditions. What are the chances of Mars having life? Answer: scientists are still investigating, with past conditions potentially having supported microbial life. But there is no definitive proof yet. How does the gravity on Mars affect movement? Answer: the lower gravity on Mars means you would be able to jump higher and carry heavier load than on Earth. What kind of winds exist on Mars? Answer: Mars experiences strong winds, particularly during dust storms, but they are less powerful than Earth's winds due to the thin atmosphere. What is the Martian soil composed of? Answer: Martian soil contains minerals like silica, magnesium, and iron oxide, which gives it a reddish color. Is Mars ever completely dark? Answer: no. Mars receives sunlight, but during winter months near the poles, there are long periods of darkness. How far is Mars from Earth? Answer: Mars is, on average, about 225 million kilometers, 140 million miles from Earth. Does Mars have a thick ozone layer? Answer: no. Mars, which on Earth protects against harmful UV radiation. How many craters are on Mars compared to Earth? Answer: Mars has many more craters due to its lack of erosion processes like wind and water, which erase craters on Earth. How fast do winds travel on Mars? Answer: winds on Mars can reach speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour, 60 miles per hour during dust storms, but generally are much weaker than Earth's winds. What is the primary source of heat on Mars? Answer: the sun provides the primary source of heat, but Mars lacks a significant internal heat source like Earth's. What does Mars' surface look like in terms of terrain? Answer: Mars has vast deserts, rocky plains, large volcanoes, and deep valleys with a dusty reddish landscape. Can we breathe on Mars with Earth's atmosphere? Answer: no. Mars has no breathable atmosphere for humans as it lacks oxygen. What is Mars' distance from the Sun compared to Earth? Answer: Mars is 1.5 to astronomical units, so from the Sun, while Earth is 1.0. How does Mars' size compare to Earth? Answer: Mars is about half the size of Earth, with a diameter of about 6,779 kilometers compared to Earth's 12,742 kilometers. What are the Martian polar ice caps made of? Answer: Mars polar ice caps are composed primarily of water ice and dry ice frozen carbon dioxide. Does Mars have active volcanoes? Answer: no. Mars has no active volcanoes today, but it does have dormant ones, like Olympus Mons. Is Mars a terrestrial or gas giant planet? Answer: Mars is a terrestrial planet, similar to Earth, made mostly of rock and metal. How does radiation affect Mars compared to Earth? Answer: Mars lacks a protective magnetic field and atmosphere, so its surface is exposed to higher levels of radiation than Earth. What are the chances of Mars supporting human life in the future? Answer: with future technology, humans could potentially live on Mars, but it would require building habitats that protect from radiation, provide oxygen, and supply water. What makes Earth unique compared to Mars in supporting life? Answer: Earth has a breathable atmosphere, liquid water, and a stable climate, which makes it uniquely capable of supporting life compared to the harsh conditions on Mars.
Don't forget to share this video with fellow space enthusiasts and let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to explore next. Whether it's Mars, the Moon, or distant galaxies, we're just getting started. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll be back with more cosmic adventures soon. Until next time, keep looking up.